although there are many routing protocols. But today I'm going to talk about eigrp. Just like when your dad calls you and asks you to come home early, you always prefer the fastest route in your city. eigrp work the similar way. It helps router to take the quickest path and deliver the data. It uses the metric called delay and bandwidth to calculating the best path to reach the destination. There are other parameters as well like load, reliability and MTU, and they are represented as K values. K1 is known as delay, K3 is known as bandwidth. Delay is the value and amount of time taken to the interface deliver to the destination, means it is the amount of time taken by the interface out of its destination. So delay is the value which is measured in tens of microseconds only, and the bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transferred through an interface to the other interface and to the destination itself. And MTU, load and reliability, they are not primarily considered in eigrp functionality when calculating the best path by the Cisco eigrp. It's a default only. eigrp is a diffusing update algorithm, means it work on the algorithm called diffusing update algorithm, which helps eigrp to work properly and to prevent routing loops as well. eigrp is known as hybrid protocol, meaning it has capabilities to behave and work similarly to RIP and OSPF, and which is known as link state and distance vector routing protocols. So it works the similar way. That is why it is a combination of both RIP and OSPF and known as hybrid protocol as well. eigrp support VLSM, means subnetting, and it's subnetting and different size of networks can be made, so it is flexible and reliable. eigrp support equal cost load balancing, unequal cost load balancing. So whenever the path is taken, whenever the data is delivered to the destination and it has the multiple path, so it all and if the path has a multiple metrics, eigrp manages it well. So this is one of that is one of its biggest advantage. It support both equal cost and unequal cost load balancing. There is no issue with it. eigrp is a Cisco proprietary protocol. It is tried to made open standard. In 2013, Cisco released some of its specifications under RFC 7868 to make it an open standard and work with other vendor routers, so that other vendor routers can communicate and use the eigrp. But it only offers the limited features and function, and so now it is widely known as a Cisco proprietary protocol only. eigrp uses the multicast address to communicate with the neighbor routers. So how they communicate? It uses the multicast address 224.0.0.10. So eigrp is layer 3 protocol. It uses layer 3 protocols number 88, which work on network layer, and OSPF also does the same. So that is all about eigrp, and overall eigrp is very flexible. It has all the capabilities and features. It is flexible, it is fast and reliable too. But the only reason eigrp is not widely considered in a network and in company environment, because it does not support other vendor routers. It's not fully open standard protocol. That is the one flaw, or you can say it cons of eigrp, that it does not support other vendor routers. Otherwise eigrp would easily be one of the best routing protocols available in today's times. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you.